Let me tell you a little bit about this car. We have known about this car for a very long time. One of 500, LE, Bumblebee. I love the story. It wasn't in great condition. What are we gonna do with it? The original owner, who we know, used this car as a ski car, driving from Missouri to Colorado. Over the course of time, many decades, it ended up here in Las Vegas.
Building an entire car in 7 months is really unheard of. The most important part of the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge 2022 was planning. We're given a very, very limited amount of time to do something that's normally done in 2 to 3 years. So we had to make sure that everything was thought out far in advance and use the time to the best of our abilities.
The condition that this car was in, we were cutting bolts off, grinding things off, and then sending them out because a lot of the parts were not savable. I've put countless hours into research. I know things about a 914 that I never would have dreamed I would have known.
I hope the most important part of this build to Porsche is the fact that we're bringing a car back from the dead. We're preserving an almost 50-year-old car, and a very, very rare one at that.
In prior history, 914 customers didn't come to the dealer. Since we've started this build, we've had several customers who are coming to the dealership because of the build that we're doing and the work and the quality that they're seeing. The cafe ladies were upset with me for using their baker's trays to organize our parts for this build.
I think my favorite part about this build was learning the little intricacies of a 914 LE. I've done a lot of restorations in my life, and this is by far one of the most technical in terms of little minor details and trim pieces and interior pieces and just what was correct to the car.
And now knowing you show me a bolt, I know where it goes. Not everybody can say that on a car. Even I've been with the brand for 28 years and I can't say that on all the cars from all the years like I can now the 914. The excitement of the technicians, sales staff, parts department, valets, wash department, everybody stops by and checks on the progress of the car and are immediately wowed every day at how far we've come. But in reality, we can't do this without all them. And that's been the big thing about this whole 914 challenge is it's actually brought us all closer together. I feel like I got a new brother in Steve. We have a dent vendor that he noticed some scrap parts off to the side and asked if he could take some to make a knife. He cut a piece about that much off of the axle shaft, forged it, Steve clenched it, filed it down, and made a handle. Now we have a VIN-specific knife to the car that we restored fully.
I've had the honor of witnessing so many fun things happen around here, so many projects. This is big.